Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to be shopping the fall 2024 trends, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. Big item, we're seeing trench coats come back for fall, and this one is from Sofia Vergara. So it has that oversized collar, lapel, double-breasted buttons, relaxed through the wrist. It is completely lined on the inside, has the side pocket, like a twill kind of raincoat material, same kind of fit through the back. In the leopard, another trend, and then also in the black, and they are going to be $49. Also from Free Assembly are these crop trench coats. These have the smaller collar, lapel, double-breasted buttons, this same kind of fit through the back with the seam detailing. So this is also going to take care of that crop trend. It comes in the khaki, also the olive, and they're $36. Another trend we're seeing come back for fall are the jumpsuits, and this one is new from Sofia Vergara. So it has the smaller collar, lapel, it's snap buttons all the way, has that belt in the waist to bring it in with the drawstring, side pocket, jogger style bottom, button detail on the wrist. In the denim, another trend for fall, full head to toe denim, and then it also comes in the olive, also another trend for fall, and these are $38. New jumpsuit from Celebrity Pink. So this one is a zip. It has the two pockets, relaxed sleeve, elastic in the waist. These have a jogger or straight leg option, that seam at the ankle, and then pockets in the back with the elastic going around, and these are $27.50. We saw this one last week. Now I'm seeing it in the green. I really like that green color. So these have the smaller collar, full button, pockets, cargo pockets. I got this one last year. They didn't have the cargo pockets, so they added that little detail, and then they do have pockets in the back. It's a nice thicker denim. These are $27.50 now in the green. New jumpsuits from Free Assembly. These have a smaller collar, full button, belted waist, flat pocket through the leg. It's a relaxed fit. These do look like they're a little shorter, and then it does continue around the back with the belt and a little bit of elastic with pockets. Seam detail, and then how cute is that little button on the sleeve. Comes in the navy, also in the green, and they're $36. New jumpsuits from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, scoop neckline. It's a ribbed stretchy t-shirt material at the top, and then a windbreaker parachute pant at the bottom. They have the flat pockets, the ability to make it jogger or straight leg, and then the same through the back. And the brown also comes in black, and they're $16.98. Like I said earlier, leopard is huge for fall. This one is from Sofia Vergara. It has the thin strap, the twist detail. It's a nice kind of flowy skirt, and it's squared in the back. In the leopard also comes in the black, and these are going to be $24. Also in this leopard is this sneak peek dress from No Boundaries. So this one has the scoop neckline, seam detailing under the bust. It kind of flows out. Comes in the leopard. How cute is that little flower detail? Also this black floral. There's a red and the blue, and they're $10. Also in the leopard is this top from No Boundaries. This has the plunging V, the little bow detail. It is a cropped fit, and they're going to be $9.98. It also comes in this pink floral. Also in the leopard are these ballet flats from Time and True. They have that square toe, the little bow detail. These are only $12.98. We saw them in a bunch of colors. Also in the leopard is this asymmetrical top from Sofia Vergara. So it has the thicker strap, that scoop neckline, ruching on the side. It has that smoothing material, and these are $16. It also comes in black. Terra and Sky, that is their plus line, but they do have a new leopard jean. So these are a straight leg, nice and stretchy, and they have the little fleece sets out already. So these are from No Boundaries. The price on these is so good, so if you like any of these colors, do not wait. I'm not sure if they're online yet, but as soon as they hit the website, definitely grab them, because I think last year they sold out by the time it even got cool in New Jersey. So this one is a half zip, has the side pockets, elastic, the little toggle at the bottom. In the burgundy, also comes in the camo. You guys know the camo is in for fall. And then we also have a black and ivory. So lots of good colors. And these are $10. They all have a matching short. These have the drawstring. They have no pockets, but super plush in the ivory black, camo, and burgundy. Also in the leopard. And then this side, they have the pink and white plaid, the light blue, and then all of those colors in the $10 short. So for 20 bucks a set, you really can't beat that. Wide leg jeans is the next trend we're seeing for fall 2024. These are from Time & Tru. They have the button fly, pork chop pockets, flowy through the leg, and then pockets on the back. These are $22.98. Also new wide leg seam jeans from Time & Tru. These are high rise. They have the whiskering, seam detailing through the front, and pockets in the back, and they're $29 or $22.98. They are a little bit of a thicker denim. They have the two front pockets feeding through the leg, and then pockets on the back. You can see that seam detail. This one is going to be $29. The Gloria Vanderbilt all-around slimming effect. These are cargo denim. They're wide leg, have that seam detail, the two flat pockets, and then they also have pockets in the back. $24.98. In the dark indigo, they also come in the green portion. So these are high rise, button pocket. The top pocket is positioned in the thigh area, and then they also have that lower pocket. These come in all of the same colors as the vest. It also has the trouser style pockets in the back, which is going to give you more of a, you know, bigger bottom look. And these are $26. New wide leg cargos from No Boundary. So these have that pork chop pocket, the side pocket. They're straight through the leg with pockets in the back. In the black, they also come in this camo. And they are going to be $16.98. New wide leg pants from Celebrity Pink. So these are a high rise. They have the pleated detailing, the side pocket. They're flowy through the leg. And then that same fit through the back. They're adjustable with the buttons on the waist. You can really pull it in if you have that hourglass or pear. And these are $20.50. Crop jackets is the next trend we're seeing for fall 2024. This jacket's from Celebrity Pink. It has the drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. This one has the hood, and they're $20. New bomber coats from Madden NYC. So these have that ribbed neckline, it's snap button front, the two flat pockets, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, that same fit through the back. It's completely lined in the black, also comes in this plaid, and these are going to be $25. We're also seeing new denim bombers from Madden NYC. So I haven't been to this location in a while, so I think these were maybe put out a little while ago, but I know I definitely haven't seen them. They're really nice for the price. They have that ribbed neckline, full zip, side pocket. It's a really trendy version of a denim jacket. I really love this one, and they're $25. It looks like they also come in another wash, so this lighter chambray. New color in the quilted jacket from Free Assembly. This has that rounded neckline, the little drawstring at the waist with the elastic wrist, that same fit through the back, and the green also comes in the navy, and they are $34. New faux leather bomber from Scoop. This one has that rounded collar, zipper, side pockets, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. It is a shorter fit, and that's what the back looks like, and these are $42. The next trend is going to be skirts. So this one is a two-piece set from No Boundaries. It is a sweatshirt material, has that elastic waistband, the little slit in the front with the cargo pockets. In the black, we also saw it in green. The two pieces with the tank are $16.98. And then also new from Madden NYC are these faux leather skirts. So these have really good seam detailing. It is lined on the inside, and then it has a zipper in the back. So it has that vintage look with all the texture. In the gray, also comes in brown. And these are going to be $17. It looks like it also comes with a matching top, which I'm not seeing here today, but that's what it looks like. New mock neck and skirt set. This one is from Madden NYC. So it has that band around the neck. It's sleeveless, has the ruching, nice and stretchy. The skirt has that elastic waistband. Also has a little bit of ruching with that asymmetrical hem. Same kind of fit through the back. You can see that little ruche detail. And these are going to be $16. Also new from Madden NYC are these tee and skirt sets. So this is more of like that smoothing material. It has the higher neckline, it's cap sleeve, it's shorter, has the little cutout in the back, and then a little wrap detail. This skirt has the elastic waistband fitted. Oh, it looks like that mock neck and skirt set also comes in the burgundy. Seamless material. This skirt has an elastic waistband with the little slit. And then this set is going to be $23. It looks like it also comes in black. New denim skirt from Free Assembly. This one has lots of seaming. The side zipper. It's an A-line. The same kind of seaming in the back. And this one is going to be $26. Also new slip skirt from Time and Sure. This one has the elastic around the back. It's nice and flowy. In this floral print, also comes in the solid black. You can see it has the slit. And these are $16.98. New skirts from Scoop. So these have that side button zipper. It's the midi length with the slit in the front. It is completely lined. And then no pockets on the back, but it does have belt loops. In the green also comes in the, the black one is different. So this one is going to be $26, and then the black is a pleated faux leather. It's nice and flowy. Has the side zip. It's also lined, and these are $34. Trousers are another huge trend for fall. These are from Lee. They are pull-on, which I really like. They have the side pocket, nice flowy leg, and pockets in the back. In the beige, also comes in the black. They have mauve and rust, and they're $24.98. And then also this gray pinstripe, also $19. And then to match, they have the wide leg cargo pants. So these are a high rise. They have the button, belt loops, zipper, pockets through the leg. They're nice and flowy. And then elastic with pockets in the back in both the gray pinstripe and the solid black. And these are going to be $25.50. Also in the plaid print are these pull-on pants from Time and True. These have that elastic waistband, side pocket. These are a tapered leg. They had something similar last year, so this is a sneak peek item. And then they do have the trouser style pockets on the back. These are $18.98. This one's a sneak peek in the men's section from Free Assembly, but really nice for the price. This is the extra small, so it will be an oversized fit, but stripes in this like kind of style, like nautical, is really huge for fall. These have the Henley buttons, drop sleeve, rib dress. It's a super soft sweatshirt material, and these are going to be $20. Also in the stripes are these dresses from Free Assembly. So this has the hook and eye closure, puff sleeve, the little twist detail, flowy skirt. These are $36. It also comes in black. New color in the balloon sleeve sweater from Free Assembly. So this one has that crew neckline, the little shoulder detail, puff sleeve, rib bottom, and is a relaxed fit. We saw it in the white and black stripe. Now it's in the solid navy, and they're going to be $22. New ribbed mock neck tops from Free Assembly. So these are stretchy. It's kind of like between a t-shirt and then like a seamless material. Longer sleeve, fitted through the body. That same fit through the back in the white and black stripe. Also comes in the solid black, and they're $12. New zip sweaters from Free Assembly. So these have the mock neck when it's zipped up, or that oversized collar when it's unzipped. The seam detailing, it's completely ribbed, oversized ribbed bottom with the little slit, ribbed wrist, and it is a balloon style sleeve. That same kind of fit through the back with the ivory and green stripe. Also comes in the gold, and they're $26. To go with the full denim trend, they have a denim blazer from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, lapel, the one button, the two front pockets, relax through the wrist. These are $39. So sneak peek item from Free Assembly. It has that mid-size collar, full button, the two flat pockets with the button on the wrist. Really good length in the dark indigo. Also comes in that ivory. and these are going to be $36. New denim dress from Scoop. This one has the smaller collar, full button, elastic in the waist to midi length, button detail on the wrist, and then the seam in the back. That elastic does go all the way around. These are $40 in the black, and then it also comes in the cream. Also new denim front dress from Free Sell Me. This one has the smaller collar, full button, seam detailing at the waist, flowy skirt, seam detailing in the back, and this one is regularly $34. So you guys, they have so much. I'm in a Florida Walmart, and you guys were worried we wouldn't have a lot, but I don't think I've ever seen this many new pieces in one store. This new denim jacket is from Celebrity Pink. It has the mid-size collar, tortoise buttons, the 2 pockets, button on the wrist, shorter through the front, has a little bit of length through the back. I love the light denim. Then they also have this darker indigo, and they are going to be $17.50. That's how it looks on. Sneak peek denim jackets from Jessica Simpson. These have that mid-size collar, full button, the 2 flat pockets, a little bit of distressing button on the wrist, and then how pretty is that embroidering? Also comes in this new dark indigo color, and they're $32.50. For shoe trends, we're seeing the MOTO boots. I think they predicted they were going to be really big for last fall, but I didn't see them too much. I am seeing a lot of them pop up for this fall. So these are from Madden NYC. They have that round toe, chunky heel, the silver hardware. These are $40. I saw so many really cute looks with this style of boot with a mini skirt. Also sneak peek riding boots from Time & True. These have a round toe, chunky heel, the round hardware with the zipper on the inside, and these are $27.98. There's also this ankle boot style from Time & True. These have a pointed toe, chunky heel, that silver ring, the zipper is on the back, and then it has a little cutout in the beige, also in the black, and these are $27.98. Another shoe trend in just accessories in general is this burgundy color, and then also red. So between red and burgundy, you can't go wrong with these tones. These are from No Boundaries. They have the round toe, chunky heel, zipper on the end, and they're $27.98. New flat bag from Time & True. So this one has that gold detail. It's a snap. The inside looks like adjustable shoulder strap. You could also do the top handle, and these are $24.96. How cute are these mini backpacks? They remind me a lot of Dooney & Bourke with the two-tone. I think it's also supposed to be, can't think of it, my daughter has the bag, but has this snap closure, that drawstring, front zipper in the red with the brown, also black with that print, solid black, and they're $28.96. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.